everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. In today's class, we will do question number 3 of exercise 2.2 from second chapter whole numbers from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us see what is the question. Find the value of the following. See, these 4 questions are given A, B, C and D and we have to find the value of these following questions. Okay, so see 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. Okay, so what it seems like we have to multiply these two and then we have to add with the product of this. Okay, now will it not be a lengthy one? A lengthy process. See, the multiplication of these two numbers will be a lengthy one. Again, we have to add with the product of these two. Okay, I will give you a shortcut method how to do this. Let us take one small example. See, 8 into 3 plus 8 into 7. See, these all are small numbers, right? So we can do it. 8 3s are 24 plus 8 7s are 56 and now we can add these two. It will be 80. Okay, but if, see, these two numbers are same. See what we did. What was the question? The product of these two should be added to the product of these two numbers. Okay, so we found the product of these two numbers, give the plus sign and then found the product of these two numbers and we got this one and we added these two and we got this one. Okay, but here the number is a bigger one. See, in other question also the number is more bigger. See, the number is more bigger. So it is difficult. It will be not difficult. It will be quite lengthy to find the product and then add. Okay, what we have to do? We have to find the product and then add to the product of this. Okay, I will show you a shortcut method for this. See, the same question what we can do is, see, 8 is there in both. 8 into 3 plus 8 into 7. Okay, 8 is there in both the terms. This is known as one term and this is known as the second term. So 8 is there in both. So what we will do, we will take 8 common because 8 is there in both. So 8 is common for both. So 8 we have taken common and inside the bracket what remains? 3 remains. Okay, for this term 3 remains and plus sign will be there, and for this term what remains inside the bracket? 7 remains because 8 is taken out. See, now the bracket will be closed. 8 is taken out because 8 is there in both the terms. And in this term, first term, 3 remains inside the bracket, plus sign is there and then this 7 will come. So what will be there? And this, see, 8 bracket 3 plus 7 is 10. This bracket means multiplication. Okay, so we will multiply 8 into 10, which is 8. Okay, now see, this was the small numbers, so we can do it both the ways. We can multiply both the numbers and then add. Okay, but here we cannot do, means we can do, but it will be lengthy. So we will use this shortcut method to solve this problem. Not shortcut, this is the way to solve these type of problems. See, these are the two terms. 197 into 17 is one term, plus sign is there. Okay, and 279 into 3. So these two terms are separated by a plus sign. Okay, and 297 is common in both. So what we will do? We will take this 297 out. What remains in the first bracket? In the first bracket 17 remains, plus sign is there, and in the second term what remains? 3 remains because 279 is taken out. So 279 is out and 3 is inside. Here 279 is taken out and 17 is inside. Plus sign is there, so we have put plus sign in between. Now 297 and 17 plus 3 is 20. So we have written 20. Now these two numbers will be multiplied because bracket means to multiply. One number is outside and the other is inside the bracket, means we have to multiply it. Okay, or if two numbers are also there in the bracket, then also it means we have to multiply these two numbers. 4 2s are 8, like that. Okay, or if some number is outside and something inside, then also we have to multiply. Bracket means to multiply. Okay, now 2 will be multiplied to this and 0 will be written. 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, 2 nines are 18, 19, 1 carry, 2 twos are 4, 1 5 and this 0. Okay, so what is this? This is 5,940. This is the answer. So we found the value of this question, which is 5,940. What we do? We have done. We have taken. See, we have to see what is common. We have the common thing from these two terms. The common thing will come out, and what remains inside the bracket will be written. And if plus sign is there, that those two numbers will be added. So we have added, and then we have found the product of these two numbers. So this is the answer. Now let us come to question number B. See, in this question we have two terms. This one is the first term and this one is the second term. We will take these two terms in brackets. 54279 into 92 is the first term, separated by a plus sign. Okay, and this one is the second term, 8 into 54279. Okay, so these two terms, first term and second term, separated by a plus sign. So if we do it by the general method, what we will do, we will find the product of these two numbers. We will write it here, which is quite a lengthy process. Okay, and then we will give a plus sign, and then again we will find the product of these two numbers and write it, and after that in the last step we will add those two numbers. Okay, but we will not do that because it is a lengthy process. We will do by the correct process what we have to do. So see, what is common in both the terms? See, 54279, this is common in both the terms, term 1 and term 2. Okay, so what we will do, we will take this number out of the bracket. Okay, 54279 is taken out because this number is common for both the terms. It is present in both the terms, so it is common for both the term. So we have taken it out. In the first term, what remains? 92 remains. Plus sign is there, we will give a plus sign. And in the second term, 8 remains. Why? Because this number is taken out, so only 8 remains inside. And then the bracket will be closed. Now again look at this. See, in these two terms, this number is common. This number is common for both the terms. So this is taken out. For the first term, 92 remains inside the bracket, plus sign is there, and for the second term, 8 remains inside. Now what we will do, we will write this number 54279 bracket. 92 plus 8 is what? It is 100. So we will write it 100. And bracket means to multiply. Okay, so we will multiply it. So 100 multiplied with this number will give 54279 00. Why? Because 1 into 100 is 100. See, 1 into 100 is 100. 2 into 100 is 100, 200. Okay. 79 into 100 is 7900. So this number into 100 means this number 00. Okay. See. So what we have to do? Anything multiplied to 100, then that number and 00. So this number multiplied to 100, then the number and then 00. So what is this number? This is, so very easily we found the solution of this question. Okay, but if you would have calculated this, written it, again plus sign, calculated that, then written here, and then we would have found the sum. It would be a lengthy process, it would be a time taking process, and this is the correct way to do. So what is the answer? This is 554,27,900. So we got the answer by a very easy method, and this is the correct way to solve the problem. Now let us come to question number C. See, in this question we have 81,265 multiplied by 169 minus 81,265 into 69. So what we will do, we will take common. What to take? What is common in both? See, 81,265 into 169. Okay, this is one term and minus sign is there, and the second term is 81265 into 69. Okay, so this is term 1 and this is the term 2, second term, separated by a minus sign. In all these questions it was separated by a plus sign, but here it is minus sign. What is common? This 81265 is common in both the terms. So what we will do, we will take it out because this number is common for both. 81265 is taken out. What remains inside the first term? 169. Minus sign is there, so we will put minus sign. In those questions we were putting plus sign because there was plus sign. Here it is minus, so we will put minus sign. And in the second term we have taken this out and 69 remains inside. Okay, so you are understanding now. Now 81265, this minus this, why it is taken out? Because it is common for both the terms. This number is taken out. In the first term 169 remains, minus sign is there, so it has come here, and in the second term 69 is there, so we have taken it because this is taken out, right? Now 169 minus 69 is 100. Now 100 into this means multiplication, bracket means multiplication, so this into 100 it gives 8126,500. So this number is 81,26,500. This is the answer. See, very easily we didn't have to multiply these big numbers. Okay, without multiplying those big numbers, we have very easily got the answer by taking common. Okay, it is very important thing in mathematics. You must learn this properly and pay attention to the class and learn it properly. Now, let us come to the fourth question, D. See, in question number D, we have two terms like the other questions. Like the other questions, we have two terms separated by a plus sign. Okay, so now let us first separate the terms. Okay, by taking it in bracket. So 3845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782. Now taken it in bracket and plus sign. So the terms are separated by a plus sign. The second term is this one. 769 into 25 into 218. Okay. So these two terms are there in this question with a plus sign, separated by a plus sign. Okay, so what is the difference between these three questions and this question? See, in these questions we have two terms, but both the terms have only two numbers. But see, this one has, first term has three numbers and second term also has three numbers. In the second question also we have two terms and each term has two numbers. The third question also has two terms. Okay, the first term has two numbers and the second term, this is the second term, also has one number and two number. But in this question we have two terms like the other, but each terms have three numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then what we have to do, see, in these questions what happened, we took 297 common and inside the bracket we have 17 plus 3 which was 20. In this question we took out this common number and inside the bracket we had 92 plus 8 which was 100. Right, in this question we have this one common, this number is common, and inside the bracket this minus this which gave 100. Okay, 169 minus 69 was 100. In this question what we should take out common and what should remain inside the bracket, so that the number inside the bracket be like this, be like 100, 10, 20, so that the multiplication becomes easy. So what we will do, we have to see that inside the bracket which number should remain, so that the sum of those two numbers inside the bracket, like like 17 and 3 was 20. Inside the bracket it was 20 and 8. The sum was this one. Inside the bracket it was 169 minus 69, which gave 100. So here also we have to find the number which should remain inside the bracket, so that we get such a number inside the bracket which is like 10, 100, or which should have 0 at its units place, so that our multiplication becomes easy in the last step. So see these numbers. See this number plus this number. If these two numbers are inside the bracket, what will be there? 782, 218. This is if we add these two numbers, because plus sign is there. See, so 8 plus 2 is 10. This is 1000. So if these two numbers remains inside the bracket and other numbers comes out, then what will happen? That the number which has come out, okay, into this, we can directly multiply that number. So now let us see how to do it. So what we want this number and this number to be inside the bracket. It means we have to find the product of these two numbers. What will be the product of these two numbers? 3845 into 5. 5 5s are 25. This is 19225. This is the product of these two numbers into 782. Okay, we will write it again inside the bracket. Plus sign is there, so we have put the plus sign. Okay, now we will find the product of these two numbers. 769 into 25. 5 9s are 45. See, this number is, the product of these two numbers is this one, 19225 into what remains? This number remains 218, because the product of these two we have written here. Now see, we can take common. See, 19225 multiplied by 782 plus 19225 into 218. So what we did? We multiplied these two numbers, we have written into multiplication sign and then 782. Bracket is closed and then plus sign. See, bracket is closed, right? Bracket is closed. Now plus sign is there. Again we will start with the second term. So the bracket opens and then the product of these two numbers we have written. Multiplication sign has come here, 218 we have written. Now what is common in these two? See, these two terms are now, we got these two terms which have two numbers and two numbers like the previous questions, and this one is common for both the terms, because this number is present in both the terms separated by a plus sign. So we will take this number common, we will take it out as a common. Okay, now what remains inside the first bracket? 782. Plus sign is there, so we will give a plus sign. What remains inside the second bracket? Because this one is taken out as a common. So in the second bracket, in the second term, this one will remain. So what we did, we took the common out. This number was common for both the terms. We have taken it out. In the first term, 782 remains, plus sign is there. And in the second term, this has been taken out. So 218 remains inside the bracket. Now 19225, this plus this gives 1000. Okay, so now bracket means multiplication. So we will multiply this number with this. So what it will give? 19225 and these three zeros, because we know that 1 into 1000 is 1000, 2 into 1000 is 2000, 4 into 1000 is 4000. So like this number into 1000 will be this number and three zeros. Okay, so what is that number? See, this number is 1,92,25,000. So we have solved this problem, we have solved this question very easily. Okay, this is the process, we do it by taking common. So you have understood all these questions? If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives. And if you are new to my channel, then press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. In the next class, we will do question number 4 of exercise 2.2 of the same chapter, whole numbers from 6th class maths NCERT book. So meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.